Hi, welcome back guys. We're going to do weather this time. The first activity I have is counting clouds. So, you're going to take some white construction paper. You're just going to cut out some clouds. You will want unnumbered and numbered set of clouds. So I'll just do 4. You can do up to 10 or however far your kids are at in your classroom. Totally up to you. Like, doesn't matter what size they are as long as they're a cloud. And they don't have to be perfect because mine are not perfect. So, we got some clouds, and I'll do some ones without numbers. And talking about the weather is awesome for the kids because it gets them engaged of what's going on around them. So I got the clouds cut out. So you're going to take a permanent marker and you're going to number them 1 through 10. I would put a dot under them with however many number or the number that you put on there, just so it gives the kids something to count. And it makes it easier for them. So as you can see, I have a 4 in dots. And what you'll have the kids do is you'll have them lay the number ones out in front. And you'll have plenty of unnumbered clouds. That way they don't have to do one at a time. They can do them all at the same time. And you'll just go 1. And then how many dots are on the second one? So you go 1, 2, and you'll put the clouds underneath, and you'll help them through this activity because it's enjoyable for them and it gets them counting and learning. So that is counting clouds. That is a math activity. And then we have a science experiment. So what I like to do before I start a science experiment is I like to have a poster. I would use cardstock just because it's a little more sturdier. I'll put what will happen. And then I'll put tornado effect on the side. And you'll do this before you do the science experiment. You'll say, alright guys, we're going to do a science experiment. This week we're going to do tornado effect. And what do you guys think will happen? And you'll write down their ideas during a group time, reading time, however you want to do it. And then you'll put it on the wall. And then you will do the science experiment. So you'll need a jar or a bottle of water. You'll put some paint in there. I just grabbed black paint. If I can get it open. Alright, give me 1 sec. Okay, so you'll just put some paint in there. Or have the kids put some paint in there and you just watch them. And then we'll put some glitter in there. You'll have the kids shut the lid. And they'll spin it around. And get it to go circular. And you can say, this is what it's like when a tornado happens. It constantly is spinning and it's going really, really, really fast, and you can have them shake it, you can have them spin it, you can have them do whatever they want with it, just to get the idea of the tornado effect. And then when the next day or that day when you're doing the experiment, you can have the results. Same thing, write the results and tornado effect. And as the kids are doing it, I would do a small group, only 3 kids at a time or 4. As the kids are doing it, you can write down their ideas of what is happening to the bottle of water. Alright, so it's a very simple, easy science experiment, and the kids will love it. Alright, so that's science, and that is the tornado effect. Our third activity is, what is it doing outside? So you'll just take a piece of paper and a permanent marker, pen, whatever you want to use. This will be a small group activity, and you'll ask kids, what is it doing outside? And you'll go around and you'll ask the kids what they think it is doing outside. So today outside, it is windy, it is sunny, a little bit warm, cool, warm/cool, and then you'll just get the idea from all the kids. And that is in small group, and that's what you're for what is it doing outside. Alright, so that's that activity. And then making umbrellas for art. So I have 2 different color pieces of paper, and you are going to have the kids choose their colors, and then they can decorate it. I will also add a link to a printout of an umbrella top, because my umbrella tops are not that great. Or just a picture of outline of a whole umbrella for you, because it's easier to do the cutout or cut them out and just trace them. So you'll have the kids, now forgive me, this ain't gonna be perfect, but you'll have the kids decorate the top, and they can decorate the bottom. They can use glitter, they can use glue, they can use paint, they can use assorted materials. However they want to do it. They can color it. It's just however they feel is best for them. And once it is decorated, you're going to glue it, have them glue it on, and there's their umbrella. And if they don't want to decorate, they can glue it on just like that. So there's the umbrella for art. And I would only do 3 to 4 assorted materials and watch how much they're taking. Help them with the glue and the glitter and the paint if they need it. And I would do paint shirts just to be on the safe side. Alright, so we have another art activity, and it's going to be making snowflakes. You can have the kids choose whatever color they want. I'm going to do white. So I fold it into 4. So I fold it in half, and then I fold it another half. And you're just going to have the kids make different designs out of the snowflake, so you can hang it up in the classroom. And this is fun for the kids because it gets them to be creative with their cutting, and it works on their fine motor skills. And that is awesome when they can work on their fine motor skills, especially with cutting, because a lot of kids struggle with cutting and how to do it correctly. And this is great practice for them. Amazing practice for them. Alright, so mine is not going to be the greatest, but there's a snowflake. And you'll just put the kids' name on one of the sides and you'll hang it up in the classroom. And that is art. Well, so this week we did weather, and we did counting clouds as a math game. We did a tornado effect with science, with a poster, what will happen, and the results. We also did what is it doing outside, which is a small group, which is talking about weather. And then we made umbrellas for art, and we did snowflakes for art. I hope you guys enjoyed that, and I will see you next week. Thank you.